Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So today I'm actually going to be talking about a brand new product on the market. It's called CarPlay2Air. And basically what it is a wireless solution for the CarPlay systems that are built into a lot of the factory systems from a lot of the manufacturers that are coming out there right now. So most of them you actually have to plug it into the device or plug it into your phone and then plug it in physically to the USB ports on the car. Well, utilizing this little device here, you actually can bypass having to do that every time you get in the car. So it's really convenient. Basically, you have your phone in your pocket all the time, get in the car, it automatically boots up. So it's really great. I figured I would just put together a little overview video of it, basically talk about the features of it, how to install it in your system. And then I also want to talk about like the pros and cons of it, because there are some drawbacks to it that I found using it over the past couple of weeks. So I'll share the, I guess, negatives of it at the end of the video. This is going to be a pretty short video because I want to make sure I get straight to the point for you guys. But if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I'm posting videos, I guess, every weekend now. So be sure to do that and hit that little bell notification icon so you get notified when I post new videos. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is actually find the USB port on your car, and all you have to do is take the little USB port and plug it into it. So that's the first step in the whole process. Take that, plug it in. So the next step for getting this thing set up in the system is you're actually gonna have to go into your cell phone and you're gonna look for this little Volks W-3064. It might be a little bit different for the device that you have, but basically what this does is it actually connects it to the CarPlay2Air system. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and it's gonna go ahead and connect. And then if we go over to this, you'll start to see that it's connecting to the iPhone. Obviously, you got to hit, hold on a second, let's see if we can use CarPlay to make sure that the phone connects to that device. And then from there, it should go ahead and connect. Now it's saying it's connected, and there you go. That's your wireless CarPlay home screen. You can see that my phone is not connected to the car via the USB port. So you can see I can scroll through it just like your normal CarPlay. So it's really easy to set up. Basically, you just plug that little device into your USB port, go into your Bluetooth settings and select that the Volkswagen 3064. It might be a little bit different on yours, but that's what's in my system. And then it automatically connects itself to your car with CarPlay in it. So how does it perform? I mean, I don't really see any kind of difference between having my phone physically connected to the car and using it through wireless CarPlay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test the amount of time it takes for the wireless CarPlay system to connect, to your phone. So we'll go ahead and start this now, and I'll go ahead and start the car. So hit start the car up. Please ignore that annoying binging sound because that happens. And then we'll see how long it takes for it to go from start to actually connecting to the phone. So you can see the system's booted up. Then we should see it go ahead and pull up the CarPlay connection here in a second. Okay, so there, it just started to recognize it. So this is the actual interface for the CarPlay2Air to connect to the iPhone. So it's waiting for connection, connected to the iPhone, still connecting. So there you can say, what, about 50, we'll say 53 seconds. So actually that took quite a bit of time, but again, you don't have to worry about taking the phone out of your pocket and then to plug it in. So you can see this thing is very easy to set up, and yeah, there is a little bit of lag when it connects to the car, but I have noticed that actually varies from time to time. So like, one day it might take 54 seconds, the next day it might take 30 seconds. So it is kind of inconsistent on the connection time, but it's really not that bad. You just jump in the car, get going, and automatically connect for you, so that's great. So now let's talk about the drawbacks of this thing. There's three main things that I've thought about. So the first thing is the inconsistent amount of time that it takes to actually connect the device wirelessly to the phone. The second thing is it's really expensive for what it is. So this thing, it's made out of plastic. I'm sure there's some kind of little circuit board in there, and then your just typical USB port. This thing is $160. I feel like this could be made for much less than that. I'm sure that it does not cost anywhere near $160 to make this. So really you're paying a lot of money for that little bit of added convenience to your daily life. Another thing is it is shipped from China, so it does take quite a bit of time to get here. I think from the time that I ordered this to the time it got to my house, it took about 2.5 weeks. So if you are trying to get one of these, pretty quickly, you're gonna have to be really patient. It's gonna take some time to get to you. So with all that being said, would I recommend it? I'm probably not for everybody. It's really just kind of like a first world problem thing that some people, you know, just don't want to take the time to plug their phone into the cable itself. Yeah, it adds that bit of convenience, but is it worth $160 to do that? I'm not really sure that it is. I would leave that up to you guys. Do you think it's worth $160 to be able to just, you know, keep your phone in your pocket and just get in the car and go? Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this thing. Is it a complete ripoff, or do you guys think it adds some value to your lives? That's the end of the video. I thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, I post new videos every Saturday morning. Hit that bell notification icon so you get notifications every time I post that new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll rise up.